This new mobile welding booth from Laser Tools provides a flexible welding workstation and is suitable for welding small to medium-sized parts. The work surface is a grill, which allows particle residue to fall into the removable collection tray. The tinted glass panel protects other workshop users while letting them see that welding is in progress. Fully portable, mounted on smooth casters, this is a useful solution for the workshop that does not have a dedicated welding area. This new auto-darkening welding helmet also features a respirator that provides the user with a filtered air supply. The helmet provides an external adjustment to easily set the darkness of the filter. The lens filter is powered by both a solar cell at the front of the helmet and a lithium battery mounted in the lens cartridge accessed from inside the helmet. The belt-mounted blower unit delivers air through a filter via an air hose to the rear of the helmet. The supply of filtered air creates positive pressure inside the welding helmet, which prevents the contaminated external air from entering the user's breathing zone. The blower speed is adjustable and set to the preference of the user. This is the charging port for the internal lithium battery. A useful USB socket is also included. The battery compartment is at the rear of the unit. The unit tells you when the filter needs replacing, and the filter is easily accessed from the front of the unit. Pop in a new filter and it's back to work. The respirator unit is supplied with a sturdy belt and hose system that is easy to set up and comfortable to use. The battery offers approximately 4.5 hours of operation at the maximum airflow of 400 litres per minute. Combined with the auto-darkening welding helmet, this combination offers a complete, ready-to-use package that is lightweight, comfortable and easy to use, while offering full respiratory protection. Available now from your Laser Tools stockist.